Myoho Renge Kyo is like a lighthouse in a storm. No matter how dark or rough the sea gets, it always shows you the way. So, what's the meaning of that phrase, Myoho Renge Kyo? Myoho Renge Kyo is the key to freeing the best version of yourself. It's like the secret code to life, one that helps you find happiness, stay strong, and overcome problems, no matter what. I explain each word. Nam means to dedicate your life, like saying, I choose to give my heart to something important. Myoho means the wonderful law of life, like the way day always follows night, or how a tiny seed grows into a giant tree. Renge is the lotus flower, which grows in muddy water but stays clean and beautiful. It shows that no matter where you start, you can still bloom into something amazing. Kyo means the sound or teaching that lasts forever, like a song that never stops playing. When we chant Myoho Renge Kyo, we tell ourselves that we have everything we need inside us to be happy, brave, and strong. Mama always said life is kind of like a big old garden. You got flowers, trees, sunshine, and all sorts of pretty things. But you also got weeds, storms, and sometimes bugs that try to ruin your day. But you know what? A strong tree doesn't stop growing just because of a little rain. A flower doesn't stop blooming just because there's some mud. That's what Myoho Renge Kyo is. It's like a big ol' umbrella when it's raining, or a boat that keeps floating. And even when the river gets rough, it helps you grow tall and strong, no matter what kind of dirt life throws at you. Now let me tell you about this lotus flower. It's really special. It doesn't grow in fancy gardens or clean places. Nope, it grows in the mud, the dirty, sticky, messy mud. But guess what? It doesn't let the mud make it ugly. It just keeps growing. And when it blooms, it's one of the most beautiful flowers in the world. Life is like that. Sometimes it gets messy. You get bad days, people ain't nice, maybe you fall and scrape your knee or don't win a game. But just because there's mud doesn't mean you stop growing. Myoho Renge Kyo is like the sunshine that helps you bloom, no matter where you are. Now, Myoho is kind of like real-life magic. Ever seen a tiny little acorn? Just sitting there on the ground, looking like a snack for a squirrel. But you give it time, and that little acorn turns into a big, mighty oak tree. That's Myoho. It's the way things in life change, grow, and turn into something amazing. You ever had a bad day and thought, man, this day just won't get better? But then, out of nowhere, someone makes you laugh, or the sun comes out, or you eat a big old bowl of ice cream, and suddenly things don't feel so bad? That's Myoho too. Things are always changing, always moving. Nothing stays bad forever. So when you chant Myoho Renge Kyo, it's like saying, I believe in the magic of life. I know things can change, and I know I can be happy no matter what. Now, I already told you about that lotus flower. You know what's funny? That lotus flower don't wait till it gets out of the mud to bloom. Nope, it blooms right there in the mud. It don't say, oh no, I gotta be in a fancy garden to be pretty. It just goes ahead and shines right where it is. People are kind of like that too. Sometimes you think, I gotta wait till I'm older to be special, or I gotta be rich to be happy, or I gotta be smarter to do something great. But that ain't true. You can bloom right now, just like that lotus. Whether you got a big house or a little one, whether you got everything you want or nothing at all. You can still be happy, still be strong, still shine. Myoho Renge Kyo reminds you that you don't have to wait to be great. You already are. Ever throw a rock in the water and watch the ripples go out, out, out all the way across the lake? That's what Kyo is. It's like a sound that never stops. When you chant Myoho Renge Kyo, you're sending out good ripples. Ripples that go to your heart, your mind, your family, your friends, even out into the whole world. It's like when you smile at someone and they smile back, and then they smile at someone else. That good energy just keeps on going. And the best part, every time you chant, you're teaching your own heart that you're strong, you're happy, and you can do anything. The more you say it, the more you believe it. And the more you believe it, the more true it becomes. Comment Myoho Renge Kyo and see how it makes you feel. Watch our chant video and start chanting today.